Hello, this is Yufei from USTC. This is the first time I've been to Porto to attend a Sugar GKO event. And I have to say this is a wonderful, unforgettable time that I won't forget. And I think I met many interesting activities here, like we are doing a paper robot together and we have some workshop on prototyping or game night or something. I have to say this is wonderful. And I have met some friends with very different culture and we make friends and we have a good time. And I think Porto is a very beautiful city. We see the sunset from the river and we walk through the city. I think it's beautiful.
Our students had a variety of experiences of learning about design thinking, and we had a wonderful marble challenge, which the students worked really hard. One of our student team won. I was so excited. That teaches students a lot of prototyping skills and learn about that. And also, I really like the way that this time we break the team, so the students was able to team up with different students from different countries and they work together. I think that's a wonderful experience. The learning that they bring from the Sugar Network project into their later careers and jobs, and our students find that is very ensuring and encouraging because they understand that the effort that they are going to put into the next 9 months is going to play out and it's going to benefit their career in a lifetime.